Cutting-edge surgery and orthopedics. If your pain is keeping you from enjoying everyday activities, Inspira Medical Center Mullica Hill is focused on keeping you in motion. Whether you're looking for a diagnosis or ready to begin treatment, Inspira's innovative technology will make a difference. The journey begins with enhanced imaging. Our groundbreaking MRI and Spectral CT scanners provide next-generation images while reducing time in the scanner and reducing CT radiation exposure. This MRI will include the ambient experience, which utilizes immersive audio visuals to calm patients and reduce anxiety. Our Spectral CT is a first-of-its-kind scanner that uses color within images to identify the composition and diagnose more accurately. This reduces the need for repeated scans. If a procedure is needed, Inspira Mullica Hill's surgical facilities are second to none. With private surgical prep and recovery areas, technology-driven hybrid operating rooms, real-time surgical 3D imaging, a designated robotic surgical suite, and the latest in digital technology, our patients will have the highest quality care in an environment designed to put you at ease. Whether it's repairing a sports injury, vascular surgery, or joint replacement, our surgical team can provide a full range of minimally invasive and robotic procedures personalized to your needs. Our precise 3D surgical imaging and the use of orthopedic robotic technology transforms joint replacement surgery of the hip or knee into an efficient procedure with pinpoint accuracy. Our inpatient rehab gym makes sure you have everything needed to get back to your routine. Trust Inspira. We'll get you moving again, pain-free.